Yo, somebody get it as him pull up in a watcher. Yeah man, ear man squeeze. See there? At the first body that. At the first casualty that. You understand me? No, watch ya. I want to no look good, you know. I want to no look good. See? Who this over here, so? Pussy class. Katam Kum. It's chronic. Hey, me say man. Again, Alkaline drag we out of bed. Matter in a eye, turn me in a idiot. You understand me? Alkaline just drop a brand new animation, brand new single entitled Not a Clown. I love the way he put it already. As I say, because you don't know them have such man as a clown. But him say, not a clown, not a replica, can't replicate. You understand what I say? Yeah, and we need to check out that song right now. We need now waste no time. You want to take a walk with me? You want to take a walk with me right now, right now, right now, right now. Let's go. Alkaline, not a clown. Let's go.
Yeah,
Ready?
send this here, put it up, Father. Call me now. Call me now.
Yo, I don't even know what I go on right this in the voice note. You see me say, I want to hear the voice note again because I want to understand exactly what I'm
doing. Send this here, put it up, Father. Call me now. Call me now.
Yo, I don't know who that there in the voice note, and that sound like it's a killer. You see me say, yeah, the artist is a chat here, you know. You see me say, put it up, Father. Put it up. Call me now. Call me now.
Be a dark, some boy be a dark.
Bumbo clot. Watch you know. Watch you know.
Put it up, Father. Call me now. Call me now.
Yo, Alkaline go up on a mission. You see me say, he go up on a mission and him full of strap up in him vehicle. You don't know, him a rolling at the Lamborghini Urus. You see me say, we see one of them the other day in a no rival, the one the purple, but the one the more camouflage, more militant. You see me say, strap up, be a gun there in the car. Voila.
Be a dark, some boy be a dark.
Bumbo. Yo, somebody get it as him pull up in a watcher.
Be a dark, some boy be.
Yeah man, ear man squeeze. See there? At the first body that. At the first casualty that. You understand me? No, watch ya. I want to know look good, you know. I want to know look good. See? Who this over here, so? Pussy class. Dance all nice again, you know. Dance all nice again, you know. Alkaline, now take no check that area. You see that person here over here, so I want to know pay attention to the animation. See? That youth here over here, so are Russian. Look good. May I go in a second. The person over the far left will look like him ready for war. A Russian this. You see me I say? As you look on the face, you can tell. You know what I mean? As Alkaline pull up, the youth here in the black, him first get it. See? Now I want to pay attention to when him pull up and him a squeeze, you know. See? Watch what I go on. Watch what I go on. Watch ya. After the first man job, the next youth where they beside Russian, him run off first. Alkaline just this demand them brawling. You see me? A be a talk. Some boy I just be a talk, be a lippings. So me I say, when I take no check from your this with this that area, everything I go down in the dirt. Alkaline now play with nobody right away. You see me I say, and we see that. Remember, you know, Alkaline say we're full of opposition and we now laugh. It's like some boy now understand the music. Some people now get where the dog are trying to say from them time they tell no, watch out.
Run up now my gun, them skin that tear.
Bombo clot. Bombo clot. A be a talk. Some boy just be a talk. Run up in my gun, them skin that tear off. Oh shit. Remember that youth in a trouble nobody, you know. Remember good. Watch what going. Yo, to Alkaline accurate. Zine to the dog accurate. Look what. When him step out of the vehicle, he man even look when him put down Rvssian. A Rvssian first get it. Rvssian first a squeeze and him first get it when him step out of the car. Watch this. Chorus, hold on the trigger. Killer, hold on the trigger. Is the man say, hold on the trigger, body get rid of. Now, there's a very important part in the first part what we want to pay attention to, you know, like, bro. Yo, big up So Sick. Is the man say, So Sick with them animations and cover art. Him ever do a damn good job. I mean, I feel like him get enough credit. Is the man say, yeah, he might help make him stamp on the culture. Is the man say, So Sick, bad. Big up, Sort Out Records. You don't know, so when them three are combined and are not normal. Is the man say, Sort Out Records. Big up yourself. See? Oh, watch out.
Send this here, put it up, Father. Call me now.
Now, I want to know commenting in the comment section. I want to tell me who that in the voice note. There's like 3 different options. One, it could have been him shooter. Is the man say, where I make him know say yo the job done. You know what I mean? And him to put it up. Him to put up what? Put up what? That's the question. Put it up. Put up what? Put up a video. Is the man say, we don't know. See? Or it could be an enemy. I say, yo, these are the artists I talk to you. Like the artist send a message through him. And I say, yo, are the artists this I talk to you? Put it up. As in, put up your career. Like, done. Like, it done right. I say, I say if you put up your career. Is the man say, and I make demands to call him. No, we don't know. You make me know what go on in the comment section. But toward the song start off, me have a theory. I'm going to say it at the end of the video. You know what I mean? That's my third theory. But I'm going to leave on thinking in the comment section.
Call me now.
Be a dog, some boy be a dog.
Be it, yo, Alkaline now play that year. And yo, we no reach nowhere in the review yet. We no reach nowhere in the reaction yet. And me have to pull up the song every single time. Be a talk, some boy just be a talk. Vendetta, trick yourself. You see how quick you say the army. Remember good.
Be a dog. Run up now my gun, them skin a tear.
Bucklet. Run up in my gun, them skin a tear up. Come.
Well on your trigger, killer, well on your trigger.
I think we're gonna miss it again in a hold on. All me get so caught up in the blood feet song. Hold on, wait, I'll show you something.
Run up now my gun, them skin.
Watch there. Remember, you know, as Rvssian get it right there, so you see a person running at the screen, don't? Somebody run off right there, so. See? I could take a closer look to who this is. There's a reason why So Sick put this right there, so for we see what go on. See? Hold on. Remember good, you know. Alkaline say, yo, run up me say man a up fence. Booping at the mid pussy they should have got sense. Remember good. The music are telling a story but a lot of people now follow. You understand what I say? Yeah man, in a real life. So when Alkaline pull up, him say man yo, them boy with that talk tough at them first run off. Is the me I say? Rvssian stay back and put up a challenge and him first get it as soon as Alka step out. You hear that? Yeah man, in a real life. So the question remains, who is this fellow that run off? Who is this? We run off. Me no know. Lord God, dance all nice again. Dance all nice. Who's this? Run off. No comment and make me know. Is the man say cause I be a talk. Some boy I just be a lippins. And we not a clown. Remember good.
Condemn skin a tear. Well on your trigger, killer, well on your trigger.
Yo, the beat a thumb to you know. Remember good.
Body get free, that killer, well on your trigger. Well on your trigger, killer.
Yo, for some reason, Alkaline never disappoint. Is the man say? In a real life. That song remind me of when him say, yo Jigo, I'm murder. Is the man say? Yeah, that song remind me of. So you know, say it's a war type of music. This is me. Yeah man, in a real life. Some boy pick up what them can't manage. You understand? No mercy, state of emergency, them type of a vibe there. You see me, I say, yo, Jabby, you see me? Remember good.
Get shot up on my back alone. I'm gonna know me and I make a squeeze it till it at me one.
Bumbo clot. Look like you go flow going or something inside. So well on my side.
Get shot up on my back alone. I'm gonna know me and I make a squeeze it till it at me one. Get shot up on my back alone. I'm gonna know me and I make a squeeze it till it at me one.
Shush shit.
Get shot up on my back alone.
You see me? Who get shot up on my black alone?
I'm gonna know me and I make a squeeze it till it at me one.
But up on my black alone, me am going in a me and I go squeeze it till it hot. Me known.
You not take this kill out enemy zone 5.
Me known fi not take no this kill out enemy zone. That a true. Everybody in a dancehall know say yo Alkaline not take no this. So the man say yo, him dep on him black alone. You see me I say with him gun in a me, when him gun in a him hand and him a go squeeze it till it hot. And him known fi not take no this, fi not take no violation from no boy. Alkaline have a track record that a true, and everybody know that Alkaline not take not form of violation. You see me? Go in at music now man.
5-6 I let go that and it a drop if I no flesh a bone. Lucifer appear and it take this kill out enemy zone 5-5-6 I let go that and it a drop if I no flesh a bone.
Bumbo clot. 5-5-6 a Lego. You see me? And everything a job. You see me? If I no flesh a bone. Bumbo clot. Gruesome. Jesus.
Lucifer appear if you no take this kill out enemy zone 5-5-6 I let go that and it a drop if I no flesh a bone.
That a true. 5.56 you don't know say you are the heavy rifle them that. You see me I say the M4, the M16, remember good. You know what I mean? Yeah man, the 5.56 caliber. Remember good. You see me?
Lucifer appear and it is not a clone. Back working on my favor not the same cologne one.
Okay. Lucifer appear and it is not a clone. Are the devil himself this. You see me? You diss me, or the devil himself a go appear. Not a clone. Me no want a replica of. Remember good enough. When Alkaline a war, him said this another Lord that talk to you, or the devil. You see me? In a static, him say yo, this me, you not go see the, you not go see the, what him say? In a static, this me, you not go see the, him say something about morning light. You not go see the light of day again. Alright, I want to know if you picture that in our head. The light of day, Zine, which that is when the sun arise. What them call Lucifer. No morning star, man. Remember good? So Alkaline connect all of the dots them phone right here, so. You see me? I want to have to pay attention and can connect on them things there. You see, pray? Yeah, man, in a real life. We could go again, no, man.
Your fellowship, man, I wretched, never left it home. Stop growing. Back working on my favor, not the same cologne. Go on with your fellowship, man, I wretched, never left it home.
Bumbleclad. Yeah, man, Popcorn just get that. A whole heap of boy I get shot up in another song. I want to know this. You see me? Yeah, man, him just get it brawling, man. Microwave, I hear one that. Hold that one there.
Used to chill, no, I'm no rap, no ratty and Capone. Hey, murderer, I be never afraid fi done a scabby. Friend everybody, then you know them a go find your body.
Yo, the man say him used to chill. We not do that no more. You see me? And a real talk, Alkaline is a youth who used to sit back and just watch everything while go on and just make some good music for him fans them in a real life. But them feel like say through the man quiet. Them feel like say yo him gone. No bro. You see me? We are make things happen. We are defend ourselves and we are defend the clan. You see me? You can't this gang. Check yourself and see how quick you see the army. In a real life. Alkaline are defend the thing right now. I love that.
Take a life, robbery, try no, get me aggy. Them a ball for them, my bullet and wet up the saggy. Find your body, take a life, robbery, try no, get me aggy. Them a ball for them, my bullet and wet up the saggy.
Yo, we are take a life, that a robbery. As the man say, try not get me aggy. Aggy meaning aggravated. As the man say, the bullet, boy a ball for them mama. Yo, arm to the man bullet a left on a saggy. That when the bullet bore up on your chest and the blood that connect to your shirt is saggy up. It wet and saggy up and mucky. You don't know. Yeah, man, because I know just blood alone I connect with your shirt and your flesh too. Yeah, wet and saggy. When I reach nowhere,
Yeah, road, man, I have nothing for do. Killer just book me and DM me obsessed food. Later, went up this again. Yeah, road, man, I have nothing for do. Killer just book me and DM.
Jesus. Jesus. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me not have to say 40. Uno must know what the Lord just say a while ago. Uno comment it and uno make me know the name them where I get this and this right now. Me not spell that one out for them. I want to comment it.
My ball for them, my bullet I went up this again. Yeah, road, man, I have nothing for do. Killer just book me and DM me obsessed food. I should have.
Yo, Alkaline just dissed himself a while ago too, you know. Yeah, what the man just said.
Went up this again. Yeah, road, man, I have nothing for do. Killer just book me and DM me obsessed food.
Yo, you can't come talk about Alkaline bad mind now. Him just has put it out there. Man say, yo, my killer can me obsessed. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever. Me obsessed. I'm envious, whatever, bro. Cause of that alone, I'm not try to use and try to style me. So me go say it before you say it. It's like a Eminem type of style. This, you see me? It's very psychological. By saying, yo, yeah, man, yeah. Me I kill you no because I'm envious and me this and that. You see me? And he mentioned voodoo. Yeah, I only putting I go another song, you know. And this can't go take one review. This cannot take one reaction. I have to go do a next video upon this. Big man thing. When you check your levels, big man thing. Enough things are going on here. So you see me, I say, Alkaline smart, you fuck. The man make sure say him say some things about himself where him know say him enemy them and go try if he confuse the people the man say about him. So he make sure him just say it. Yeah, man, anything and anything. We not feel no way about that. If you want to say that, you say that. But yeah, God go down in a grave, see him way blood clot. Yo, okay, I go again.
Should have me and my dad them get to roast oil what don't know. Find them now nothing over with everyone fool. You me tell them.
I won't get that. Oh my God.
Who do I shoot? That me and my dad them get to roast oil what don't know. Find them now nothing over with everyone fool. You me tell.
Clot. See people business and leave it alone. Hallelujah.
Tell them straight. If me wrote them me a car jail, one BS can up na the business I'm can't steal. Seal up. Tell them straight. If me wrote them me a car jail, one BS can up na the business I'm can't steal.
Yo, the man I rip this apart, you know. Nobody trying to see me so calm right now, you know. This hype, you know. On a ramp with the Lord, the man say, yo, if my broke, then yo, me I go jail. One bail. Stand up in the business, and I can't steal. Remember good. Alkaline forward and say, yo, when him staying and he can't mark out. And he must say it again right there. Say, yo, the man a double down on it. I make you know say I don't know joke thing me dep on. You see me? Man a column in this. No matter how I try to move with, or I can't move with.
Seal up in them straight. If me wrote them me a car jail, one BS can up na the business I'm can't steal.
Bumbo clad. Yo, no job some fire flames. Yo, me I go do a next review. This can't do one time. Big man thing, brother. Is the man say, I no want to think about a song, right? Goddamn no. Especially after that review, yeah. After that reaction, yeah. Me no want to think about a song, right? Goddamn no. We not joke. We no play thing. As the man say, I don't know play thing, dog. In a real life, my side, we can't make it too long. There's too much to uncover in other song, yeah. There's too much to dissect. There's too much for digest. You see me I say, but if you don't want more, make sure you come back for more. You see me I say, yes, I want to get the baddest review. You see me I say, in a real life, chronic media, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes, I want to get the baddest review them. You hear that? In a real life. Until next time, my side, you know the thing go. Nothing nice like when a bingo, tell them under 1%, everything jump out. You know, a murder. Cut down. Go, man.
Seal up in them skin and pierce it like nail them start real damage to the structure, all the parts frail. Bullet them not garlic, dust them out like carpet. The best and the